Right, today we are going to attempt to fix some of this metal skirting. It's got it locks itself in, and this one's had soil pushed up against it over time. So we're going to dig that out, get down to the track, and let's see how it's done. Okay, now you can see the track where the bottom of that skirting goes. Trying to get that cleaned out. Let's see if we can't bend some of these panels back and make them fit. Okay, so I'm going to try to bend this sheet metal, put another bend in it, like it's right here, where this side someone in the past had bent it out flat. So I have these Stanley sheet metal type pliers. I don't know the technical name, but if you do, do me a favor, leave a comment in the description, or leave a comment down below, so that way I know exactly what these are called. But anyway, just grip onto it, start the bend gradually. A brake would be the best tool for this, but I don't have one here. I'm trying to get this customer fixed up. Well, now we'll see how it fits. Now at least we got a brake on there. We can slide it in down into our tracks. Alright, as you can see now, we got the skirting put back together. All cleaned up. Now onto the next spot. Alright, so we got a couple more spots on this side. of the house. Looks like someone had taken the cap trim off, but didn't want to dig the rocks out to get everything put back correctly. So that's what I do. Get this put back together. We got another spot over here where the skirtings come apart. Let's see what we can do to get this spot fixed up as well. Well, that is the method I use to repair metal skirting. There's not a lot you can do. Just hope to kind of straighten it out, bend the tabs over, get them to slide back together, make sure you clean your track out. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, maybe subscribe, like, maybe leave a comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.